What you cooking? What you cooking? Look. Mmm. You gotta stir it. Stir it. Good job. Can you add some sprinkles? Look, can you add some sprinkles? Put it in the pot. In here. Put it in here. You gotta stir it. Stir it up. Yay! Good job! Oh, too many sprinkles? See, I don't know what I'm making, but it has sprinkles and uses an ice cream. Oh, we're gonna fry the sprinkles. Can you put the lid on? Get the lid. Right here, look. Put the lid on. You gotta let it cook some. Good job. Can you stir? Can you stir it up? You gotta stir the other one. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, now we gotta taste it. Are the sprinkles done? Oh, we're gonna give Cody some? Maybe she's seen me feed Cody too many times from the kitchen. Oh, what about your sprinkles? Are your sprinkles done? The ones you're frying. In here, in here. Are they done? Are they ready to eat? Let's see. Say cheese. Are they good now? Say hi. Cheese. Mmm.